Okay, now that we have our dashboard, you did your exercise. We will see later, okay, how to include different worksheet for task list for each market. Test list, and we will see how the dashboard will improve, will change according to the selection of the markets. And then second, we're going to see that I may show this to the management and I may hide this. Click on hide. Okay, I can also hide the tickets if you want. I just hide the data, and here I'm going to select all this part, right click, format cells, protection. I remove this. It is not locked. Then I'm going to protect the sheet, and then I say select locked cells. I say no. If you want, protect, and then here I insert the password there. Test. This. Okay, now I'm protect, and then I have to that test. Another thing that I should do is I select this, and I'm going to data validation, and here I type date. Okay, I can also select a range if I want. Then I say greater than or equal than, and you can say starting date. Okay, so I know that the starting date, okay, is the smallest one. These have to be updated. So for example, if I type here 2016, I'm not allowed. Okay, I can only insert dates. So we created our dashboard. The management can just check this. Yeah, you can also put, instead of a date, a day, a month. But at least now you know how this dashboard works. Okay, we will see a more complicated area, so adding more worksheets for each task list, and we will see also how to position this according to the current status. So this is completion of tests with current ready to test pages. Okay, but if this is moved to this, I need to move this consequently, and I will show you this later when we're going to use Visual Basic. And also with Visual Basic, I want to show how this data is updated if I connect to an external file that I don't want to. On a button, this data is retrieved from an Excel file.